When is the best time to practice Qigong? Morning, afternoon, or evening?
Anytime is the best time because anytime you are practicing Qigong is better than any other time you don't. If you wish to pick an ideal time, you can pick sunrise and sunset. Here's why. Do you notice that life changes its energy during sunrise and sunset? The sun is the most significant energy source in the solar system. When the sun rises and sets, the energy transitions dramatically. All life responds to that transition, humans included. You might not notice, but your system also goes through an energy transition at those times. So when you practice around sunrise or sunset, you will likely feel qi more. In short, any time is an excellent time to practice, except when you are too sleepy to focus. Then you should go to bed.